Students, good evening. Students who are in the online, am I audible? Okay, students. So let us start the discussion. I hope in the previous session, so we have already completed the first part of the Python str. What is str? Predefined class treated as which type? Sequence category data type. And there we said about what is str I said, definition of str I said, notations of str I said, syntax types of strs I said, syntax for storing str data also discussed. Memory management of str data also, positive indexing and negative indexing, operations on str data, indexing and slicing. So I am in the discussion of this part. So let us have a recapitulation about it. How many notations are available? How many notations are there? 4. What is the number 1? Single quotes, double quotes, triple double quotes, triple single quotes. Right? How many types of strs are there? 2 types. Number 1, single line str, multi-line str. And you have seen the example of that. All the examples you have seen already in the class. Multi-line str, all different types of strs you have seen it. Okay, students. Now it's a time to see, to go for operations also. I was started. How many types of operations? 2 types. One is indexing, slicing operation. Indexing operation meaning is what? Obtaining the single value to get one value at a time from which object? str object. Or in other way, the process of obtaining the single value from str object by passing valid index is called what? Indexing. Str obj of index. Here str obj is an object of str class. The index can be either a positive or what? Negative. And if we enter a valid index, then we get the corresponding value from str object. If we enter invalid index, then we get what error? Index error. And this example I was already shown in the last session. And today, Monday, we are talking about a greatest topic today. About what? Yes. So let us start about a small scenario I want to introduce. Open your diagram, all of you. Open your notes. Keep the notes open. Keep the laptop open. And let us start thinking about it. So let us start the flow. Once you open your diagram and notes and everything, S is equal to Python, and try to answer some information here. Who are absent on Saturday? Who are absent on Saturday? Boys, raise your hands. Saturday boys absent. Saturday. Now online or offline, that is okay. Who is not there on the Saturday? Both online and offline, who is not there? So you are not there. Offline not there, online not there. Yourself. You are also not there. Where you went? Underground. Huh? Both of you went underground or what? Stand up. Underground? Ma? Okay. So are you okay? No, everything okay. Oh, sit down. Yourself? Underground? Ma? Fever, okay. Attend online, na? Online, no problem. Online also unable to attend. Yeah. So because today you cannot understand, that is my botheration. Today is the problem for you. Those who are absent on Saturday, they cannot understand today. That's the main problem. If they don't understand on Saturday, next today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, wherever the concept of index is coming, there is always handicapped only. So students, girls who are absent on Saturday, 1, 2, 3, 3 members. So 4 members. No offline, no online. Completely not there. Okay. Seema, if you are absent like that, you cannot understand today. I'm not responsible for it. Anyhow, let us. Okay, Priyanka, you also raising the hand like 5 hands rise. Those who are absent on Saturday, they cannot understand today. There is no doubt in that. That is a damn sure. So, okay, ma Priyanka, you are traveling. Okay, whatever it might be that, whatever it might be the reason of absent, compulsory, you cannot understand. Let us start, everybody. S of 0. Answer quickly, everybody. Online students, come on. P. Be active. S of -1. Huh? Good. S of 6. S of 6. Huh? Something you said, N you said something. Answer. Index error. Index error. Invalid అది కాదు ఇక్కడ. If we say invalid, that student is invalid. If anything is wrong, you have to say the name of the error. Invalid, error, these are all called cock and bullock stories. It will not work out. S of -2. Quickly. Okay, good. S of 2. S of 2. Good. S of -3. Huh? H. S of 3. S of 3. H. S of -5. Come on. Beautiful. S of 6. S of -6. Who is the index error? Good. Who? Wrong answer. Right. S of -6 is called what diagram? His answer is called what? P. P. Are you following? Right. Print of S. Now I'm going to say. Today answer and tomorrow questioning and continuation is a Saturday, the beautiful class. That day, if you are missing, you're almost out of order now. I can't say. S of ln of S -1. Quickly. N. N. S of minus of ln of S. Quickly. Yes. P. Next up. S of 0. P. S of -1. Quickly. And that's all. This is about last class we discussed it. S of -10. Come on. Index error. S of I'm saying something like 10. That's all. Good. Keep it up. Now I'm going to enter into the further. Let me open my diagram also. Did you remember last class memory management diagram, students? Yes. Look at students. Beautiful diagram. This I was saying, right? Who is this? Rajeshwar, my dear student. Sir, hi sir, good evening. This is my first class. I am reviewing the recordings. My dear student, this batch was started. Almost we enter into the subject track. Rajeshwar, it's my advice. Instead of reviewing the recordings and all, my batch will start very soon at 9 o'clock morning. In the morning time, my batch will start very soon at 9 a.m. Very soon, 9 a.m. my batch will start. That day, that time, you better to attend because today you may not be able to catch me. That's why, student Rajeshwar, it's my advice. 9 o'clock, you try to attend. Okay, Rajeshwar. Now I'm going to move to the further. Online students, keep on continuing the response. This is my diagram, right? Fine. Based on this diagram, I'll move to the further. Now I'll move to this. My intention today is something like this. Next part I'm going to say. Suppose my interest is to get the data of what? PYTH. PYTH. With indexing, how many letters we are getting at a time? One letter we are getting at a time. With now I am going to enter into the another operation is called what? Slicing I am going to take up. Slicing operation. What is the slicing operation is doing? PYTH I want to get it. Or I want to get it what? HON I want to get it. Or I want to get it THO. Or I want to get it YTH. Or I want to get it something like what? PYTHO, Pytho. Or I want to get it something like a THON. Like that I want to get it. Later I will tell you what? NOH. Later I want to get it NOHT. Later I will get it what? NHY. Later I will get it PTO. For all these things, Saturday class is important. So let me go to the slicing operation today. So I will write slicing operation. So coming to the point of it. So Rajeshwar, okay, sir, this time is feasible for me. So as I am working as cyber security engineer, I'll try to complete them soon. Okay, no problem, Rajeshwar. Take care, and you will you will get it if you review that. But you have to be. It is your own risk of taking something like this time. Okay, because I already completed some of the concepts now. You take care and move to the further. All the best. Come to my class. Now coming to this now, slicing operation I'm going to take up now. Slicing operation I'm going to discuss here. Let us start taking about slicing operation now. What do you mean by slicing? I'm going to discuss. So what do you mean by slicing? I'm going to discuss. Here I'm writing. The process of the process of obtaining the process of obtaining the process of obtaining range of characters, range of chars, or what? Range of values from range of characters or range of value is called what you know? Substring we can call. Substring. We can call it as what? Substring. The process of obtaining range of chars or range of values. There is a substring from where? From where? Main string. Main string is called what? Is called what? Slicing. Is called slicing. The process of obtaining range of chars or range of values from main string is called what? Slicing. Are you able to follow? So what do you mean by range of characters? Python is called one word. It's a beautiful. Python is called one word. I want to get it PYT. Is it not called part of the main string? Part of the main string is called what? Substring. Part of the main string is called what? Substring. Or I want to get it HON. HON is also called as what? Substring. Substring. So how to get it, sir? How to get it? So this is a definition. To perform slicing operation. To perform slicing operation, we have five types of syntaxes. Five types of syntaxes. Most tremendous syntaxes. All the syntaxes you will not find in entire websites. You please check it out. But I'm giving out of five syntaxes, so many sub syntaxes also I will discuss. Roughly, I will tell you what are those syntax. Rough work. Rough work I am writing. What are those syntaxes? So I'm going to write it. strobj of begin colon end I am writing. strobj of begin end begin that's all. Next, strobj of end strobj of what you know, simply strobj of what you know, begin end step, begin end step, begin end step, rough work. strobj of begin end, strobj begin strobj end, strobj strobj begin end step. These many things we need to learn it. And this is any interview, if we go for it, compulsory these questions will take. Dear students, always when we are discussing in the subject, always try to have the comparison with every student. Of course, dear students, I feel about proud of my students and my classes. And this is only the class which contains both offline as well as online. Of course, this is a very dry time, 4 o'clock. I got both combined together around 130 in offline, almost 180, 185, total 200 in online registrations, because 10 to 15 students will be absent always. So totally I got only 335. Minimum strength in my class is almost 500 daily in every batch, because it's a hot summer. That's why this is a strength we have. In everywhere else, the strength is 60, 70 like that. But being a strength of my class like this, you need to learn everything perfectly in the class. So strength is different, but subject strength is also important or not? So why that much strength will come? Lot of belief, lot of expectations. Beyond your expectations, I'll explain. Practice and don't miss my class. If you miss it now, I don't say what you are. That's why beginning only I say, beginning only I used to say. My conditions you remembered, no? You follow that. Now syntax number one I'm going to say. So Sharath, my dear student, thank you. Now I'll continue the things. Be careful today. So now I'm going to enter into the subject called what? strobj of begin colon what? End. Now I'm going to discuss. What is this syntax? Now I'm going to discuss. Carefully follow. What is the meaning of this str begin colon end? You take it. S is equal to Python. See the diagram and try to answer. This is my diagram. One by one, the explanations I will give you. This is a Python. All of you look at P, Y, T, H, O, N. P, Y, T, H, O, N. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is -6, -5, -4, -3, -2. Already you know, last class, how it is done. Understand, students? See, students. Our syntax is what? strobj begin colon end. strobj is called what? S of, I am writing here 0 colon, I am writing something like, 4. When you say 0 colon 4, do you know what is happening? It displays the data from 0 to 4 minus 1. It will give you the data from begin to where? End minus 1. Provided begin must be less than what? End. Begin must be less than end. So I'm going to give you the data. See this entire thing. This is syntax. I'm going to give. This is syntax generates, or this syntax gives range of chars from where begin, from where begin to where end minus 1 index, end minus 1 index, end index minus 1, begin index. Here if you want, I can write what? Begin index, colon what? End index, end index. Begin index to where? Begin index to where? End index minus 1. End index minus 1. Provided, what is this now? Begin index less than what? End index. Begin index less than end index. Otherwise, that means if it is not satisfied, we get what? This syntax gives a range of chars from begin index to end index minus 1, provided begin index less than end index. Otherwise, we get space or like this. As result, this is a very, very important. Immediately, I'll go to the result. S of print of S. What is the result is coming now? Python is coming. S of 0 colon 4. First, now students, beginning, you don't answer it. First condition you see. What is the begin value? What is the end value? What is my condition, students? Begin less than end. There is a 0 less than 4. True na false? True. Then answer will come. What is an answer now? 0 to 4 minus 1. 0 to 3. What is the answer now? 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the data now? 0, 1, 2, 3. What is the 0th letter? P, Y, T, H. What is the answer now? P, Y, T, H. Online students, there is no hurry at all. Try to understand carefully. Is it understandable now? Is it clear or not clear? Yes, clear. P, Y, T, H is an answer is coming. Are you getting, students? Yes. Next, see the question on the screen, see the notes, and then answer it immediately. Keep the notes on, keep the system on. Now I am going to write 2 to 5. Answer, please. Everybody. 2 to 5. Answer I want. Answer, please. What is the answer? Very good. THO. Clarity is there? Next, next I am going to write it. 5 to 2. 5 to 2. Space. Why space? 5 is the beginning and 2 is the ending. 5 less than 2 false now. False means what is the answer? Space. Beautiful. Space. Space is coming or not? Yes. Space. Nothing. No data will come. Understand? Next up. S of 1 colon 5. 1 colon 5. Quickly. Answer. Answer. Y. TH. Beautiful. YTHO. Super. Next I'm going to write it 2 colon 6. 2 colon 6. TH. Very good. THON. Next I'm going to write it. Next I'm going to write it. Something like I'm going to write it 4 colon 6. Come on. ON. Anybody not answering, you will go to out of order. If you're just looking like a statue and if you look at. Now I'm going to write it 3 colon 6. Already diagram is there, notes is there, everything is there. What is the answer? Super. Next, S of what you know? S of 1 colon 6. Quickly. Y? THON. Good. Now I'm writing here 0 colon 6. What is the answer? Answer. Very good. Python. Are you able to follow? Yes. So I hope that the syntax is clear. Clear or not clear? Very good. Online students, please respond. Is my concept is clear? This I will adjust it. Now I'm going to take up. Now I'm going to take up. Okay, good. Absolutely clear. Okay, good words. Absolutely clear. Nice students. See, this is called what? It is what? Space. Space. This is called space. Because why space? 5 less than 2 is false. Condition. Condition is very, very important. See, students, anywhere else if you go for an interview, beginning questions will be from strings they will ask you. I'll post so many questions after my string data is over. So many questions I will post it. Who is this? Ashok TV. What you have written is blunder. What you have written is blunder. It is a wrong. You please see what you have typed in the chat box. Is 5 greater than 2 now? 5 less than 2 now. 5 less than 2. He wrote Ashok TV written into 5 greater than 2. It is a blunder. It is a blunder. Okay? Adjust by yourself. Look at. This is called what? Observe all of you. This is comes under which type of value? Positive beginning. What is these are all called? Positive ending. Positive ending. That means here I spoke about, here my concept is talking about slicing I was applied on which indexing? Positive indexing. Now I am going to apply what indexing? Same formula. Same formula I am going to apply. Same to same formula. See students. Now here I am going to discuss. Let us take here. S is Python. Print of S. S of be careful. Open the diagram. Keep the diagram in front of you and see. All of you see the diagram first. See the diagram? Minus 5 colon minus 1. I will explain. Look at. First I will explain. First condition. What is the minus 5 beginning or not? Beginning. Less than what? Ending. Is 5 less than minus 1 or not? Yes, true. Minus 5 is less than minus 1. True. What is the data coming? Minus 5 to minus 1 minus 1. End index minus 1. What is the answer now? Minus 5 to minus 2. That means minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. What is the answer now? Come on. YTHO. This is the data we are getting it. This is the data we are getting it. Easy or difficult? Easy. Now I am writing S of minus 2 colon minus 5. Minus 2 colon minus 5. Space. Good. Beautiful. Minus 2 less than minus 5 is called what? False. False. That's why we get what? Space. Super. Super. Go to that. Super. Are you following me? Yes. S of minus 5 colon minus 2. Answer, please. Everybody. Online students. Good. Keep it up. Are you comfortable? S of minus 6 colon minus 1. Quickly. Super. PYTHO. Now I'm going to write it. Now I'm going to write it. Minus 3 colon minus 1. Quickly. Excellent. Excellent. Now I'm going to write it minus 5 colon minus 3. Quickly. Excellent. Super. Keep it up. Now I'm going to write it minus 6 colon minus 3. Come on. Super. This is which direction? Positive direction. Which direction going? Forward direction. Which direction? How much is incrementing? Plus 1. Plus 1, correct? That is nothing but by default it is incrementing how much step? Plus 1. That is known as what? Default stepping. Default step. By when you are coming to first floor, how you are getting the steps? One after the other you are coming to the step or not? So that is called plus 1 we can call. What is the stepping here? Which direction? Good. Forward direction. What is the default forward direction step? Plus 1. Plus 1. Here also you see. Earlier also. Plus 1 only, no? Very good. This is called one syntax. Be careful. Now I am going to take up. Here I am going to keep the syntax. Look at print of S. This is my data. And this is my data. During adjustment time also, you can view this result. So here I say plus 1. This is a very important. This plus 1 concept is very important. Minus 6 colon, minus 6 colon. Here I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to get it. Whatever I'm explaining, you have to carefully listen now. You have to carefully listen now. So, Swastik Mohanty, please hold on, my dear student. I will take up. Don't worry about it. Swastik Mohanty, your doubt I will take it into one place. I'll come to your doubt after a few minutes. Okay? Swastik Mohanty. So, I will move to the further. Did you understand this part? Now, let me talk about one most important point I will explain. Most important point I will explain. Most important point. This is a sub point of this syntax. Sub point I am explaining. Sub point. Here, what did you understand about all these things? Positive things or not? This is called what next? These are negative indexes or not? No. Here, positive indexes, and this is called what? Negative indexes. Now I am talking about one important major point I am talking. If I am taking an interview, I will ask this type of question. Look at, I will explain. First, you silently you listen the class. Carefully try to understand And later I will ask many questions on this area. This subpoint I am talking, subsyntax I am explaining. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. This is called S. So far what we did, students, either this way I got it or this way I got it, correct? Either I got this way or I got positive syntax or I got negative syntax. But today I'm going to talk about curved visiting. I am talking curved visiting. Curved visiting. This is called what? Straight path. This is also called what? Straight path. Today I'm going to talk about what? Curved journey. I'm going to do it. Curve. I'm going to talk. Here also I'm going to talk like this also. Are you following this? See this now. Here, this is one journey. This is another journey. This is another journey. This is another journey. Today I am going to take what? Another journey I will explain. Are you following? If I am taking an interview, these things I don't ask. I will ask these things only. Let us follow. Ready to understand? Now I am talking about S is equal to Python. S is equal to Python. Print of S I am going to take up. And now I am taking S of 2 colon minus 2. Be careful. You don't open your mouth. I will explain now only. Look at Python. Python. Whatever the rule I said, the condition I said, here the rule will be relaxed. Rule is not applicable now. Begin less than end kind of rule is not applicable in this subpoints. I'm saying in the beginning only. The 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Here I'm going to take up 2, 2, -2. 2, 2, -2, I'm going to talk about it. What is the 2 value? T. That means where are you standing? Carefully listen. Where are you standing? Beginning. 2. Yes or no? 2. Where is an ending person is standing? -2. -2 means what is the end value here? -2. End -1, no? End -1 means it is going to come to -2, -1. What is that? So where is the end person standing in? -3. Where are you starting from? 2. While this starting person is going this way, is this ending person is coming on my way or not? When I'm going from 2, when I'm going on the way, is that -3 person will be standing in my way or not? That intersection curved path is the result. What is the result now? TH is the result. Is everybody getting? Online students, is it understandable to every student? Now I'm going to say, clear or not clear? Yes. What is the answer now? TH. Did you understand the concept behind that? Again, I'll explain. One more I will explain. Look at 1 colon minus 1. 1 colon minus 1. This is a combination of what? Positive index and then negative index. That rule is relaxed. Come on to the point back to my direction. Where I am standing, students? Where I am standing? 1. That is the beginning. Where it is ending? -1. What is the formula? End -1 or not? It is coming to where? End -1. This is called -2. What is my data here? 1 to where? N to where? End -1. What is the end value I written there? S of what? 1 colon what? -1. Online students and offline students. If you come for doubt, I may not explain again. Now I am explaining slowly. What is my beginning? 1. Standing there. What is my ending? -1, -1. What is my ending standing with? While I am going in the forward direction, is that ending person coming in the on the way of my intersection or not? That data is going to be the result. What is my result? Very good. Online students, see, answer is called what? YTHO. Clear or not clear? Next, you answer my question. You answer my question. 2, 3 colon -1. You answer my question. Quickly. HO. HY is my data. HY is my data. Very good. Somebody said some doubt is there. Actually, in my class, no doubt should come. But if any doubt is there, I want to look into that. Something is coming. What is the doubt? Where is the doubt? Please repeat. I will not repeat. Please repeat. I will not repeat. Damn sure. Damn sure. Now, sir, in the case of different numbers only now, different numbers. Carefully follow. Are you following me? I am explaining crystal clear. There is no doubt. If you still you don't understand, unfit for learning Python. 100%. Openly I am saying. What is an answer? Quickly. 3, 2, minus 2. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Starting from 3, in my direction of journey, end person I can see. Yes. What is an answer? Beautiful. One more question. One more question. I am writing 1 colon, 1 colon, 1 colon, minus 2. 1 colon, minus 2. Quickly. Super. 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 Keep it up. Now I am going to take up 0 colon, 0 colon, minus 1. Come on. Extraordinary. Super. Extraordinary. Next, 2 colon, 2 colon, something like minus 1. 2 colon minus 1. No? Extraordinary. Super. Now I'm going to take up. Now I'm going to take up 3 colon minus 3 colon, 3 colon, something like minus 2. Come on. Where are you standing? 3. Minus 2, minus 1. Minus 3. Minus 3, 3. There only. Ending person, standing person, there only. That letter will pick up. What is that letter? H. Stand prop, sit properly. So done. Are you following me? Yes. Clear or not clear? This indicates, see carefully, extraordinary. This indicate, this entire thing is known as what? This entire thing is known as a positive beginning. This is called what? Negative ending. I will reverse it. I will reverse it. Careful. This is set of example. Online students, clear up. Every moment of time I will ask this question. Every moment I will ask this question. Online students, clear? Quickly. This is the data. Extraordinary. See this. After going to home, open any internet website. You may tired in searching internet website for these formulas. You will not find anywhere except in our notes. So here, show to your friends. Ask your friends anybody missing and ask some questions. Now I am asking a question now. Shall I go for the next? Yes, same continuity only I am taking. Look at all of you. Here I am writing, carefully watch it. S of minus 6 colon. You don't answer my question. I am explaining now. One question I am explaining. Minus 6 colon. And I am saying what you know, 4. 4. Where are you standing? Minus 6. Minus 6. Where is the ending person? 4. 4 means where is that person is coming? 4 minus 1. Is this person standing here or not? What is your journey? Forward or backward? Forward. Forward means this will come like this or not? By default, it is which direction of retrieval? Forward. What is an answer? Py. Okay, very good. Now I am going to write it. S of minus 5 colon minus 5 colon 5. Minus 5 colon 5. Where are you starting from? Minus 5. Minus 5 to where? Minus 5 to where? 5, 4 minus 1. Yeah, above 1. Yes. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 means up to here or not? What is an answer? YTHO. Are you getting my point? Yes. See this now. Carefully try to watch it. Take it. S is equal to Python here. Print of S. S of what? Minus 6 colon what? Minus 6 colon what? 4. What is an answer? Quickly. Good. Now I am writing minus 5 colon 4. What is an answer? Quickly. Excellent. Now I am going to write it. Now I am going to write it. Minus, minus 4 colon minus 4 colon 5. Quickly. TH or THO? Super. Now I am going to write it. S of minus 6 colon minus 6 colon 3. Ma? PYT or PY? Super. PYT. Now I am going to write it. Minus 5 colon minus 5 colon 3. Huh? Extraordinary. Super. Now I'm going to ask you, let me prepare one complicated question. Very complicated question I'm preparing. See, I will explain. You don't open your mouth. S of minus 3 colon. You don't open your mouth, students. Minus 3 colon 1 I am saying. Be careful. Don't answer. Minus 3 means where are you standing? 3. Minus 3 place or not? Beginning now? What is the ending? 1, 1. This is the ending or not? So which direction I am moving in? When I am going in forward direction, no person is standing over there to take the intersection data. So behind me, one person is there. I never look back, right or not? I will look. Since no ending is found, no output will come. Did you understand? In my journey, no ending person found. So I'm going on forward direction. No ending is found. That's why no data will come. Is understandable? Did you understand the logic behind that? To understand such a type of thing, you have to draw the diagram and you have to see. Beginning from where? Minus 3. Moving in which direction? Forward direction. Not looking back. But my ending person standing behind of me. When he's standing behind of me, can I see that? No. I have to see only the forward person or not. What is the answer, students? Come on, Ma. What is this answer? Minus 3 colon what? 1. What is the answer? Space. Understood? Okay. One more question I am asking. Ready to answer? Yes. I will look at my diagram. I will write it minus 4 colon 0. Minus 4 colon 0. See the diagram. Standing at where? Minus 4. Looking in which direction? Ending person standing in where? So no intersection. Forward direction only, no intersection. What is the answer? Super. Super. Next I am going to write it. Be careful. Minus 4. Minus 4 colon. Minus 4 colon. 2. Minus 4 colon 2. Minus 4 colon 2. Come on. Space or Tina? Space or Tina? Good. Super. Minus 4. Ending is what? 2. 2 not 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means where is that person is coming, jumping to. But where are you starting from? So what is an answer now? Yes. Extraordinary. Good knowledge. Good knowledge. Now I am writing here 3. What is an answer? Come on. 3. 3. 3 minus 1 is called what? 2. Minus 4 standing, 2 also ending. Both of them at one place only. What is an answer now? Super. Understand? Right. Is it clear? Is your knowledge is increasing daily? Right. See students. See students. Here, this is my data. Right. Absolutely. Okay. Good. So I said in beginning days what I said. 410 selfie. 410 selfie. 545 selfie. Is my words remembering? Is the selfie concept is working with you? What guys? All of a sudden maintaining silence. Problem, huh? Hmm? Confidence is increasing. See online students how they are answering. Confidence is increasing. But offline students confidence I don't know. Increasing or not decreasing? Huh? Yes, increasing. Here no internal marks. Only purity on subject. That's all. If it is increasing, you say increasing. If it is decreasing, you raise your hand. I will sort it out. If it is decreasing means only one reason, you did not touch the book. That is only the main problem. Because I am not explaining blackboard white chalk piece. Purely subject which I am showing in front of your eyes. If you don't touch the book and if you don't practice, you will not fit for anything else. And industry is drastically changing. Drastically. Everywhere else Python is going to come. Okay now? Right. Come to the point of it. Now I'm going to move to the forward direction. Now I'm going to say, this is my data which is available. Online students. Now I'm going to give you one most powerful point I'm going to explain. Most powerful point. Ready to listen? Ready to listen now? Yes. Come on now. Most powerful point. Ready to listen. Okay. See, take up. Print of what? S is equal to what? Python. See, most powerful point I'm talking. Okay now? Yes of 0. What is 0? Yeah. Beginning index. 0 is called beginning index. 0 is called beginning index. Yes of 0 is called P. Don't know any subject. Well, increasing or decreasing. What is 0? Index dot initial index. Now I'm talking about 6. What is the answer? Come on. Python. Both of them are positive. Both of them are same type. Rule is applicable. Both of them are negative, different signs. Rule is not applicable. Understand? Be careful. Now, done. Now, very, very powerful. 0 colon 0 colon 122. 0 colon 122. So, option A. Option A, index error. Option A, index error. Option B, Python. Option B, Python. Option C called what do you know? Space. Option D is called invalid. That is called a syntax error. Come on, quickly. Huh? Python. Do you have 122? Who said Python? Raise your hand. Really good. Who said Python? Stand up once. How Python stand up? Guessing up. Guessing a subject up. Guessing. Guessing. Guess చేసావా సబ్జెక్ట్ అప్లై చేసావా గెస్ చేసావా సబ్జెక్ట్ అప్లై చేసావా సబ్జెక్ట్ అప్లైడ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ హౌ యూ అప్లైడ్ టెల్ మీ గుడ్ హౌ యూ అప్లైడ్ పక్కన అతను చెప్తున్నాడు ఓకే పక్కన అడుగుతున్నాడు మీ ఫ్రెండ్ స్టాండ్ అప్ గెస్సింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అప్లైడా గెస్సింగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అప్లైడ్ ఓకే గుడ్ ఆన్సర్ వాట్ అబౌట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ డూ యూ హ్యావ్ 122 ఇండెక్స్ డూ యూ హ్యావ్ 122 ఇండెక్స్ that if index is not present, what is the error? Index error Python. Python. Etla 0 to 122. Yes. Yes. After that, space. Are you my student already? So, first time. Okay, good. Very good. Keep it up. Now, the thing is, actually, as far as the memory is concerned, of course, PYTHON, generally people will expect what error, index error. But here, starting from where? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First of all, both of them are positive. That is 0 less than what? 122. It is true or not? 0 to what it is? Minus 122 minus 1. What is this now? 0 to what? 121. Started the journey from where? Going on taking the data, going on taking the data. 6 onwards, no memory is available. So it will stop here only. It will stop here only. That's why it is called Python. Did you understand? So that is the data called what? Forward direction only Python is coming. Are you able to follow? Next, one more question. S of all of you, 2 colon something like 150. What is the answer? Quickly. Huh? TH. Super. Next, I'm going to talk about 6 colon 5 colon what? 122. Quickly. N now. N now. Next, I'm going to write it. S colon 122 colon 345. Come on. Answer. Space. Why? From 122, there is no space. There is no data at all. Are you able to follow? This is the another most important concept. Be careful. Be careful. This is also one important concept. See, students, once my explanation crossing, I used to explain very slowly. If I ask once again explain, if that is habituated in the class, people will be relaxed. If you say, sir, explain again, sir will explain once again. That type of impression will be there. Once if I explain, I never repeat again. Take care, because I am doing lot of examples in the class. Now I am going to give you, this is called what? Space. I hope you are getting, students. Well, next, let me move to the further. One more example I am talking. Continuity of that. S is equal to Python, print of S. S of, I'm going to take up. Be careful, minus 122 colon, minus 122 colon, minus 5. Minus 122 colon, minus 5. What is the answer? Come on. Answer is good. So the answer is good. So now you are going to say Python. This is my data. This is my data. We are getting it here. Here I am going to say minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Here I am going to get it. Here I am going to say here like this. Here, where is this data? Minus 122. Minus 122 means what? It is a minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Is it behind or not? In one of the place, what is available? Minus 122 will be there or not? It is going on, coming, no data, no data, no data, no data. Coming to where? Minus 6 also, printing this data. And minus 5 means what? Minus 5, minus 1 is called what? Minus 6. What is the answer is coming? P is going to come. Are you following me? Yes. Getting or not getting? Yes. Next time going to write it. Minus 10 to minus 1. Answer, please. Quickly. PH, PY. Good. Can I ask one question? Okay. Let me ask one more sample question. Minus 9 colon, minus 3. Come on, quickly. PYT. Super. Very complicated question. Minus 10 colon 0. Minus 10 colon minus 0. Come on. Answer. Answer. Super. Super. What I said. Of course, I did not write yes over there. Yes, I did not write. What is an answer? Space. Why space? See the diagram. Where are you starting from? Where are you starting from? Here you see minus 10. This is called what? Minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6. Where are you ending with? 0. 0 minus means what? Don't think that 0 minus 1 means minus 1. You don't think that it is coming out of that or not. Some people will think that it is coming to minus 1. Some people will think that 0 minus 1 means it will come here. And they will think that Python is an answer. Python is no. Ending means what? Once again, I will repeat. What is my data, students? Minus 10. Colon what? 0. 0 means what? You stop at 0. Stop at 0 means what? 0 minus 1. That means one step front. Here, no data present. Do you have the data here? No data present. So, it is going to be like this. Already you understand that it is most important. Do you understand this? Very, very important. I'll move this, getting into this, go to this place. Now see the answer now. Go to this place. Now see here, this is my value and this is my data next. Here, s of minus 9 colon minus 3. This is my data. This is a syntax error. Here you see students, this is my data here. Here I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up. This is my value available here. Done. Are you able to follow? This is my data. Clear or not clear? Clear. Done. Perfect. So this is the data related to what? Most powerful points, which indicates what? This indexes you see, which is quite out of the bounds, which is quite out of the bounds. Now, this is called what? Combination of positive indexes and negative indexing. Now, this subpoints and most subpoints, is this syntax is just like a left hand, left finger or not? Come on now. If I am asking question, now I am writing Python PROZ, Python PROZ. Print of what I am writing? Yes. Print of what I am writing? Yes. Answer my question. If you are talented now, yes of minus 122 colon 456. Don't speak something wrong. Come on. My data is what? What is this now? Python something is there, right or not? G is last. What is this now? 0 to some n minus 1 or not? Some minus 1 to something like minus of n minus 1 or not? This is yes. What is my data? Minus 122. Definitely this is called minus 122 or not? Where are you standing at? Minus 122. Where are you ending with? Definitely 456 is after this or not? 456. This is 456. Are you not getting in this journey? This is beginning. From here the data started. It is going on, coming to this entire data coming. After that, no more data present. What is my answer? Yes, Python PROG is an answer. This is subject. Getting or not getting? So next here, some people are going out of order. Why not speaking? Like a Hussain Sagar in Hyderabad, Hussain Sagar, Gautama Buddha statue is there. They're just sitting like that in the class. Well, I don't want to disturb you. Actually, I want to punish you, but why should I punish you? Why should I make you to worry about it if you don't worry? Now I'm writing 333 colon 333 colon. What is an answer? Same Python PROG. Are you able to follow? Can I ask one question? Java, Java, Java minus 4 colon minus 4 colon 3. Answer please. మొద్దుబాబులో Java, JAVA, JAVA. If that is given 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. What is this now? Minus 4. Minus 4 to what? 3. Journey started here. Minus 3, minus 1. What is the answer? Yes. So taking lot of time. You never find any interview. You never find any of the internet. This is only the special class, exclusive Python training. Take any institute, take any internet website, you will not find special points. Are you following me? Now, go to this place. Now I am writing. Now I am writing 3 colon 3 colon 123. 3 colon 123. Come on. Good. Yeah. What is the third place? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 to where? So much. It is going to be like this. Next I'm going to say, JAVA, 3 colon -1. 3 colon -1. Come on. Sure. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, very good. That is called what? Space. Super. Now I'm going to say that blue color shirt. Stand up. Blue na the color adi. Spits back side. Yes. You only. Stand up. Now answer. Don't fold the hands. Relax freely. Don't say take the support of like this. You are not a senior citizen now. Stand like an Indian army. First stand like an Indian army. Indian army atla untara. Okay. Now answer me. All of you maintain silence. Offline students maintain silence. Now question for you. Question for you. 0 colon -1. Online students don't answer it. I will minimize. See the. Tell me the answer. Silence. Python. ఆడెవరో ఉన్నాడు ఆయన పైథాన్ అని నాకు తెలుస్తుంది ఆయన లేపు ఆయన లేపు ఎవరు పైథాన్ చెప్పింది హూ సెడ్ పైథాన్ స్టాండప్ జావానా .NET కదా ఫస్ట్ పైథాన్ నెక్స్ట్ .NET జావా హైదరాబాద్ తర్వాత ఆన్సర్ ప్లీజ్ ఫస్ట్ ఏం చెప్పావు పైథాన్ అన్నావు తర్వాత జావా అన్నావు తర్వాత జేఏవి తర్వాత C#.NET అంటావు ఇప్పుడు బికాస్ దోస్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ హెల్పింగ్ దేర్ ఓకేనా హెల్పింగ్ నా హూ ఈజ్ హెల్పింగ్ ఐడెంటిఫై దట్ ఆర్ యూ ఫాలోయింగ్ మీ కెన్ ఐ కాల్ ఆన్ ద డయాస్ sit down I will call you after 20 minutes after 20 minutes I will call you what is an answer are you sure excellent now online students yes online students are powerful today understanding nicely now after 15 minutes I'll call on the dash be careful x power also gone so sir will call pakka on the dash you will see the finger on that and you will say the output and you will explain the output also to the students who will help you that time I will see again light came and I am speaking facts only yes pakka facts I am speaking right and sometimes lights off lights on means it's a pakka sentences all are you following students good online students any more doubts online students any more doubts good are you understanding properly Rajeshwar who is attending today only Rajeshwar are you following Rajeshwar today I'm looking for our Rajeshwar answer okay Rajeshwar and may I know student Rajeshwar I want to know one small confirmation even though this many classes over of my batch why you want to continue in this batch only may I know the reason may I know the reason are you coming through any friend or you are coming in your own way just I want to know small confirmation I want to get it quickly right so your shift starts 5:30 p.m. so 5:30 okay or morning 5:30 a.m. is it sinking my question okay let it be student not a problem now I am asking now I am going to this is my syntax is clear is my syntax is clear okay ma Rajeshwar no issue so understanding is important no issue take care is it syntax 1 is clear right syntax number 2 syntax number 2 is the first syntax clear will you answer any question which is coming yes now last and final HYDE or ABAD minus 122 colon 0 answer please come on just imagine the diagram where is my 122 top left corner imagine top left corner what is that 0 is where starting point is an ending point Starting point is an ending point. Minus 22 to 0, no data present. So space only. Answer is what? Space. Easy or difficult? Easy. Now I'll write what here? 1 I will write it. What is the answer? H. H is the answer. Able to follow? Perfect. Now I'm writing 122. What is the answer now? That's all. Super. Now you are getting it. This is first part of strings only I'm talking. These are all comes under first part 1 only I'm talking. And I go to part 2, part 3 also there. Part 3 is also there. That is the data analytics part we are discussing. Data analytics part we are going to discuss. So students, now see this. So here I'll go for syntax number 2 I will start with. So coming to the syntax number 2. See students, syntax number 2 you watch it ma. Here I'm going to take up, observe it. Syntax number 2 I'm going to start. Here I'm writing strobj, strobj of, strobj of. Now I'm saying here begin, begin index, begin index colon. Now I'm closing. Begin index strobj, begin index colon, end index I'm not writing. Let me explain. You listen. Listen first. Don't write anything. Listen. In this syntax, because in the concept, if you understand carefully now, answers you can give much easily. In this syntax, we specify which index? Begin index. We specify begin index. And we don't specify which index? End index. We don't specify end index. In this syntax, we specify begin index and we don't specify end index. Well, now I'm going to talk about here. If we don't specify, which index? End index. If we don't specify end index, then PVM takes. If we don't specify end index specify చేయకపోతే, Telugu students, great people. If we don't specify end index, then PVM takes end index as, now I'm writing end index as len of strobj, len of strobj. When it takes end index as len of strobj, it will apply the first syntax also now. What is the end index? If I take s of 0 colon only I am specifying. What index I specified? Begin. Which index I did not specify? What is the len of s? 6. 6. 6. What is the answer now? 0 to 6 minus 1. What is the 0 to 6 minus 1? 0 to 5. What is the answer? Python. Are you getting? Are you getting? If I don't specify the end index, what is an end index takes? Total letters minus what? 1. Or if we don't understand, sir, my enduku sir anta kastamaina syntax. Why that syntax, sir? If we don't specify the end index, if we don't specify the end index, if we don't specify the end index, PVM takes the data, PVM takes range of what? Chars from where? PVM takes the range of chars from where? Begin index to where? Begin index to where? Chars from begin index to where? Last character. Last character it will take. It will take from where? Begin index to char from where? Begin index to where? Last character. I say yes of 4 colon I said. What is the fourth character? See the diagram. Come on. Oh, what is the last character? N will take fourth character to last character. It is nothing but LEN of STR OBJ is what? 6. 6 minus 1. 4 to 5. What is the 4 to 5? ON. Are you following me? Is it clear? So this syntax will take the data from where? First index character to last character. So I will take it or I will write it. This syntax generates online students. This is syntax. This is syntax gives. This is syntax gives what? Hmm, this syntax gives what? The range of chars from where? From where? Come on. Range of chars from where? Begin index. Begin index to where? To where? Last character. Last character I said. That's all. Examples I am going to give you. Examples I am going to give you. I am going to give you the examples here. Let us go for this syntax gives range of chars from begin index to last character. Examples I am going to give you. Let us start taking the examples here. S is equal to what? Python. Be careful. Print of S. What is my data? Yes. S of what? 0 colon like this. What is the answer? Quickly. Super. Next I'm going to talk about 2 colon. Answer please. Come on. Next I'm going to take the data from where 3 colon. Excellent. Now I'm going to talk about what? 1 colon. 1 colon. Come on. Huh? Yes. Yes colon. I'm going to talk about 4 colon. Come on. Yes colon. Yeah, 2 colon I said. Yes. What is this now? 4 colon. Answer is what? ON. Clear or not clear? Yes. Student, come here. Come on. Come to the dash. Come to the dash. On the dash, please. On the dash, please. Indian Army student. On the dash. Fearing a lot. Will any faculty will call on the dash? Huh? Silence. All of a sudden, why silence? Supporting? On the dash. Student, come on. Come. I'm there now. I'm also standing along with you. Come. And not like that. Come. Just one come. No problem. Come. So not like that. Come. 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 Come fast. No problem. I'm there now. Don't fear, ma. I'm here now. Come here. You'll sit there only. Are you listening the class? No, not like that. I'm. You are telling me, sir. I will listen like this. You're saying. Not listening like that. You have to speak. I am talking like everybody. Are you fearing? Huh? Fearing? I will also come and stand along with you. Come. Come. Hmm. No. Don't want. Fear? Huh? Huh? Fear? Fear? Okay. No problem. He's taking the help also. Now he's thinking, sir, did not see in my 22 years of life this much tension, sir. First time I felt BP is 200 raised, sir. My dear student, today you will not sleep also. You will remember, sir, unnecessarily called. The 2 minutes of time is a danger time. I did not found in my lifetime. Dear students, if I am calling on the dais means I am your well-wisher. If you call in front of everybody, if you answer, there is no stop for you. Correct or not? Everybody will hesitate to stand there. When you come and stand there now, total class will move like that because you will feel tension. Correct? So I'm nothing. Okay, if you answer here, you will be number one, but you will not understand that. Okay, no issue. Come to the point. Answer my question now. I'm taking now. S is equal to Python. Now I'm going to say, will you answer me? minus 122 colon. Answer. Are you imagining the diagram? From where? Minus. Minus. Minus to where? Negative side to what? Is it a forward direction or curved direction? Forward direction. Okay. From where? Minus 122. Forward direction only. Path direction or curved direction? Curved only. It is going to be Python. So, నేను అడుగు ఇలాంటిది 122. So on what? Minus 6. So on this one. So on this one. This one I am asking. So it is going to take minus 6, whatever it might be. Last character is the final target. Minus 6 to last. Python. Are you getting it? Yes. S of minus 2. S of minus 2 colon. Answer. Come on. That's beautiful. ON. Next I am writing minus 6 colon. Come on. Yes. So one student asked a question. Swastik Mohanty asked, how we will get Python in negative? S of what? Minus 6 colon. Swastik, are you there, my dear student? This is the answer for you. Are you following, Swastik? Good. So this is an answer. Are you following? Yes, perfect. So now students, now S of what? Minus 5 colon, I'm saying. Answer. Which direction? Step plus 1. Step is what? Plus 1. Right. Good. Let us carry on. Now I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to take up. This is my data, which is available here. So see this data. Here I'm going to take up. So now I'm going to take up this data. Python is here. Now S of minus 2, this is my data. And S of minus 6, this is the data. And S of minus 5, this is the data we have. Now I'm going to take up. Of course, you already understood these points. Now I'm going to write it, that I need not to write again. S of 0, what is the answer? Python only, that already you finalized. Now, of course, you can answer, I feel it. Like you can answer, I feel it. Now I'm writing one beautiful question. Python I am writing. So this is my data. Answer my question. Of course, S is equal to Python. Some doubt is there on you. S colon true I am saying. S colon true I am saying. Answer. Come on. S of true. Beautiful. What is the true? Boolean value. Boolean value. 1. 1 to last. Answer. YTHON. Python is a wrong answer. YTHON. Are you following me? Next, I'm going to say what? False colon. False colon. Super. False colon true. False colon true. Come on. 0 to 1 means 0 to 1 minus 1. That is called 0. That is called P. Beautiful. Getting or not? Yes. Beautiful now. Minus 0, 0xf. 0xf colon. 0xf colon. Come on. Answer is what? Python. Able to get it out? Yes, these are also, we can use number systems inside also. Number systems inside also. We are going to take up like this. Print of yes. Now we got the data. S of true. We got the data. Now S of false. We got the data. True or false. Now we got the data. S of this data here. Python is now here. Are you able to follow? This is about the syntax number 2. Is it clear? Yes. Next, I'll go to the next syntax here. And thus that syntax here. Syntax number 3. What is the syntax number 3? Begin I don't specify. Which one I specify? End index I will specify. End index I specified. Dead easy. When I don't specify the end index, it is taken which character? When I don't specify the begin index, which character? Starting character. What is the starting character? P. Maybe at the positive 0 side, maybe -6 negative side. What character? First character. So I'm going to write it. If you follow me, let me copy this. Let me copy this. So here, somebody is asking, who is this? Uh, Ali Hassan. Sir, of -2. He is asking this. My dear student, not this bracket. This bracket is a blunder. This bracket is a blunder. This is a bracket you need to use. This is a bracket you need to use. Mr. Student, Hassan, my dear student, -2, -2. Answer my question. Come on, come on. Answer. Come on. Okay, ma, Hassan, okay, no issue. Come on, fast. -2, -2. N. So, minus n, that is called n. That's all. So, it's very easy in our class. This also, very easy. Dead easy, that is. Not a problem. Now, I'm going to take up return. Remove this. Beautiful. Coming to this place. In this syntax, we specify which index? Which index? End index. We don't specify what index? Begin index. Begin index. If we don't specify which index? Begin index. If we don't specify which index? Begin index. Then PVM takes first BVM takes begin index as, listen, begin index as either what? 0 in which kind of index? Positive. Or what? Minus of len of what? strobj. strobj. That's all. If we don't specify which index? Begin index. In other way I am writing. Okay, then PVM takes range of characters from where? First character from where? First character to from where? First character to end index -1 character. End index -1. End -1 index or end index -1 character. Are you following me? End index -1. Apply. This syntax gives you the data from which character to which character? This one I will write it. From written like this. Start the example. Here I am writing S of what I am writing? Colon. Now I am writing colon. I am writing 3. Colon means 3 means what? Positive. Positive means 3 means here now. What the value starts from? 0. 0 to where? 3 minus 1. 0 to 3 minus 1. That is 0 to what? 2. What is the data? Pyt. Suppose if I am writing colon -1, what is that now? Negative. Negative means what is the first data? -6. -6 data is what? P. -1, -1. What is that? What is the answer now? Yes. Come on now. Quickly take the data. Python, take the data. Start everybody. Colon what 5. What is the answer? Quickly. Super. Now I'm going to write 3. Quickly. Super. Next I'm going to write it, what 4. Py. Okay, good. Now I'm going to write it 6. Come on. Super. Now I'm going to write it. That is a positive ending, right or not? As a colon -3. Come on. P. Super. Next I'm going to write -1. Answer. No? X. Excellent. Now I'm going to be careful. -2. Huh? Super. Now I'm writing be careful. 0. Be careful, I said. Come on. Excellent. Excellent. And don't think that 0 -1 it is coming from Python. No. Generally, people will say Python. Are you understanding? Easy or difficult? Dead easy. Dead easy this is. See, students, how simple it is. So, examples. Anywhere else difficulty? Anywhere else felt a difficulty? If we concentrate well in my class, everything is so smooth. In coming days, every day is like a flying day. If you come with preparation, if you don't come preparation now, that much difficult class nowhere else. Because I'm not talking anything theory here, like other classes. Everything I'm talking with my system, that's all. According to the system only, you need to move forward. Without a system, if you come to the class, no meaning. You have to practice it. So far, you have done 4 years of engineering without any laptop, nothing. You did with, you lived in practical life? No. You lived only in blackboard white chalk piece only. But all of a sudden, this is only your life. In every product development, in every product innovation, AI tools are going to come. Very soon, the programming languages which are there in the market, very soon, in couple of years, it will be diminished. Everything is AI tools will be there. Now only you need to become ready. So in every university, in every educational institute, Python, Python, Python. Why? Because more importance is there. And every Python student will get an opportunity of 0. You see any of the other institutes, and if you see the notes and ask these questions today, will they answer? 100% no answer. And how many syntaxes you see? First syntax completed, second syntax completed, third syntax completed. And fourth is easy. No beginning, no ending. It is called first to last, it will come. Last 5 rules I will tell you. 5 rules I will explain. Marvelous rules. Very complicated syntax. So far we are seeing the data in which direction? Forward direction. Now you'll see where? Reverse direction. Reversing the string. Forwarding the string with the two letters, three letters forward, two letters backward, one letter backward. Like that I will tell you. That is my tomorrow's class. This syntax is next tomorrow class. I'll go for syntax number 4. Syntax number 4 I will discuss. Is today's class is clear up? Are you confident? Good. Will you practice immediately after going to home? Yes, this is Tuesday, sharp 4:10, 4:10 p.m. See, nobody is coming late. Once class started, 1 or 2 minutes, everybody is gathering. Suppose if I don't keep that rule, you will come in your own timings now. Like other classes, you see, 5 o'clock also they will come. Sir will say, okay, allow. What is happening? Money is yours now. So you have to be strict in the subject. So students, write Rohini Saxena. Yes, sir. Learned so many things. Good. Keep it up. Now this is what the subject is. Farhana Khan, please give me roadmap of the course. Already gave. Roadmap I gave. In the day one only I gave the roadmap. First day. My full stack Python course. This is a roadmap. Already I explained. Very soon, this UI technologies will start. UI module will start. Whenever that class will start, I will tell you that day you have to attend. Okay now? So because of roadmap, job will not come. Roadmap, all the things, job will come when you become perfection in the subject. Only roadmap keeping in the packet, nothing will happen. Okay now? I'll stop my class, and tomorrow class, I'll go for syntax number 4. Thank you. All the best. Students in online students, any more doubts? Soumya. Good evening, sir. I am installed Python in my laptop, which we have Windows 8 during installation setup failed. No, ma, you please check it out. You please check it out. You say no. Actually, Windows 8 is enough for installing the Python. If you are there in Hyderabad, you can come to the class and we can install and we can show you. So starting of your class, you said 9 a.m. something. I know that it is actually you are joining my audio. 9 o'clock, a new batch will start, ma. That is what I said. So who is this? Smoronica. Smoronica. Student name is Smoronica.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening, mom.
Sir, I didn't get that S of 120, S of 0, column of 122. That question you explained.
This is the one print of S. What is that? S of
One
minus
S of 0, column 122.
0 colon 122.
Yes.
So it is starting from 0th index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index. Data will come. After that, sixth no index, seventh no index. There is no data present. It is not going to visit because it is only the ending now.
Okay.
That's all. So Python is an answer. Correct?
Okay.
Right, ma'am.
And
Next, one more student, Mrutyunjaya. Mrutyunjaya.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Mrutyunjaya, please.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I have a question actually.
Yeah.
The true and false statement you said, right?
My dear student, I'm getting disturbance from your voice.
Am I audible right now?
Right now, okay.
Yeah. The true, you said true column something, the result comes like Python and all. That concept I'm not clear.
See, true,
Yeah.
colon. What is the
Yeah.
value of true? 1.
Yeah.
1 colon means what? 1 to last now.
Okay.
1 to last is what?
One to last means one to infinity, it may be.
No, 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 no. I said if I don't specify the end index, if I don't specify what is the character, last character, no. How can we do infinity, my dear student? I already said now here in the concept window. If I don't specify the end index, in this place I said already. If we don't specify the end index, if we don't specify the end index, PVM takes the range of characters from begin index to last character.
Okay.
So it is taking from where? 1 to last. What is the 1 now? Y.
One Y.
Y to last is called Ython.
Okay. School, sir.
Understood?
Yeah.
Okay,
Got it. Thank you, sir.
right. Srija.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, ma. Tell me.
Sir, I did not get the example that is related to Python program, sir. S of 1 minus 122 to like 456, sir.
Simple, ma. That is Python PROZ.
Yeah, sir.
S of
Minus 122 to 456.
colon 456. What is the meaning of it? Python starting letter is called what? 0.
Yes, sir.
What is that? What I said already in the class? This is called some negative value will be there or not? This
Yeah,
is
yes,
minus
sir.
11 almost. Minus 11 almost. My Python PROZ is minus 11. This is a 0. Python PROZ here last. Already diagram I said, you have to remember that. Minus
Okay.
1 this is. Minus 122 means this is a back of minus 11.
Yes, sir.
Back of minus 11 to back of minus 122 it is going on coming to minus 11.
Yes.
Minus 11 to it is going on coming this side 10 only. 456 is called what? This side it is available. So with a 10 that is closing. It is no data present. It is completely data will come.
Okay,
Completely
sir.
Python PROG will come. That's all.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right, ma. Jeevan, I will tell you, ma. I will tell you. In the next week, I will tell you when it will start. So I will intimate when the new batch will start at morning 9 o'clock. If any friends are there, you can tell them within 1 week it is going to start. Okay, students, take care. All the best. Now I'll stop my class. I can answer you the doubt here. So next class, I'll go for continuation part of my class. Thank you, students. All the best.